How to turn on Snapchat dark mode. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on our channel Quick Guide. As you all know, there is no option to turn on the dark mode on your Android device. People who have iOS can easily do it within their phones, but if you're using an Android, what you need to do is open up the settings of your phone. Nowadays, every Android phone has an option called dark mode, which you turn on, your applications will also be turned on dark mode. So for that, you just search for dark mode on the search bar if you can't find it on the options, and just tap open this application. Once you do, you'll also have an option of choosing the applications to turn on or turn off dark mode on. Mine is inside more dark mode options. Here it gives me all of the applications that I have installed on my device on which I can turn on dark mode. So you just find the application of Snapchat and you toggle this option on. Now this option could or could not work depending upon your device. So if you toggle this option on, you can try to check if it works for you. I have seen it work on some devices and not work on the other. So check if it works for you, and that's how basically you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe and also like this video. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.